Rosemary, a fragrant herb often associated with Mediterranean cuisine, is more than just a culinary delight. It has been revered for centuries not only for its flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. In this video, we delve into the healing power of rosemary, exploring its rich history, nutritional profile, and the myriad ways it can enhance our well-being. Let's start with a brief history of rosemary. This herb has been used since ancient times, with its origins tracing back to the Mediterranean region. The Greeks and Romans held rosemary in high esteem, often using it in religious ceremonies and as a symbol of remembrance. In fact, it was believed that rosemary could improve memory, leading to its use in weddings and funerals alike. The name rosemary itself is derived from the Latin rosmarinus, meaning dew of the sea, a nod to its coastal origins. This historical significance sets the stage for understanding why rosemary has been a staple in herbal medicine for so long. Now, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of rosemary. This herb is packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a powerhouse for health. It contains rosmarinic acid, carnosol, and carnosic acid, all of which have been shown to combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. These compounds help protect our cells from damage and may even reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Additionally, rosemary is rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium, contributing to overall health and vitality. One of the most fascinating aspects of rosemary is its potential to boost cognitive function. Studies have shown that the aroma of rosemary can enhance memory retention and concentration. In fact, just inhaling rosemary essential oil has been linked to improved cognitive performance. This makes it a fantastic addition to study sessions or work environments where focus is essential. Imagine the possibilities. Whether you're a student preparing for exams or a professional tackling a challenging project, a little rosemary could be just what you need to sharpen your mind. But the benefits of rosemary don't stop at cognitive enhancement. This herb also has a long history of use in digestive health. Rosemary has been traditionally used to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, gas, and indigestion. It works by stimulating the production of bile, which is essential for fat digestion. Incorporating rosemary into your meals can not only enhance flavor, but also support your digestive system. You might consider adding fresh rosemary to roasted vegetables, meats, or even infused in olive oil for a delicious and healthful dressing. Furthermore, rosemary is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally in managing pain and inflammation. Whether it's joint pain, muscle soreness, or headaches, rosemary can provide relief. A simple remedy involves making a rosemary-infused oil that can be massaged into sore muscles or used in a warm compress. The soothing aroma combined with its anti-inflammatory effects creates a powerful remedy that has been cherished for generations. Additionally, rosemary has antimicrobial properties, which means it can help combat infections. Research has shown that rosemary extract can inhibit the growth of certain bacteria and fungi, making it a potential natural preservative in food. This quality also extends to its use in personal care products. Many shampoos and conditioners include rosemary oil due to its ability to promote scalp health, stimulate hair growth, and combat dandruff. Incorporating rosemary into your hair care routine can lead to healthier, shinier locks. Let's not overlook the emotional benefits of rosemary. The scent of rosemary is often associated with clarity and emotional balance. Aromatherapy practitioners frequently use rosemary essential oil to promote feelings of relaxation and reduce stress. Diffusing rosemary oil in your home or adding a few drops to your bath can create a calming atmosphere, helping to ease anxiety and uplift your mood. In a world where stress is all too common, rosemary offers a natural way to find tranquility. For those interested in incorporating rosemary into their daily lives, there are countless ways to do so. Fresh rosemary can be used in cooking, while dried rosemary is a versatile spice that can be added to soups, stews, and marinades. For those who prefer a more concentrated form, rosemary essential oil can be used in aromatherapy, skincare, or even as a natural cleaning agent due to its antimicrobial properties. You could also consider growing your own rosemary plant at home, as it's relatively easy to care for and adds a lovely touch to any kitchen or garden. As we wrap up our exploration of the healing power of rosemary, it's clear that this humble herb offers a wealth of benefits for both body and mind. From enhancing cognitive function to supporting digestive health and providing emotional balance, rosemary is a true gift from nature. So, the next time you're in the kitchen, consider reaching for rosemary, not just for its delightful flavor, but for its incredible healing properties. In conclusion, whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a health-conscious individual, or someone seeking natural remedies, rosemary deserves a prominent place in your life. Embrace its history, savor its flavor, and harness its healing power. After all, nature has a remarkable way of providing us with the tools we need to thrive, and rosemary is a perfect example of that. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of rosemary, and we hope you feel inspired to explore its benefits in your own life.